Hi, I'm Chuck Gerst with Bell Sports. Bell Sports as a company is Bell, Giro, Blackburn, and Easton. Today we're going to mainly talk about helmet technology and design and fit. Bell and Giro are the leaders in the helmet industry. We sell more helmets than anybody else. And the Bell fit, for instance, on the models of Bell, they have a tendency to fit a little more round. So when you are helping a customer, make sure that you try to have them put two different helmets on, possibly a Bell, and then follow it up with a Giro. They both might fit well, but one will typically fit better than the other. The key thing when you're helping a customer on a helmet is to explain to them the proper fit of a helmet. So I'll put this helmet on. I'll show you a few quick bullet points on how to make sure a helmet is properly fitted. Just take the helmet, put it onto the head, tighten up the fit system in the back. To see if that fit is the proper fit, you simply move and wiggle the helmet front to back. You'll see that it should just move the brow on the forehead. The other key point is to not put a helmet on like this. A lot of the impact is in the front of the head in an accident. So what you want is that helmet to be right across the top of the brow. As far as the little adjustment on the side, the little locks just open and close. The key on this is to actually have the buckle land right underneath the earlobe. And then after that, you cinch up the bottom. A good rule is typically about a 2-finger width underneath the chin strap, so it still gives you a little comfort and a little movement possible when the helmet is on the head. So that's basically it on the helmet fit. That rule applies on any Bell or Giro helmet that you'll put onto a customer. Some people will ask you why one helmet is $35 versus $230. And the big difference there is the technology and the effort it takes to eliminate as much material on the helmet, opening up the venting of the helmet and allowing more airflow in. So the more you open up the material or the venting of the helmet, the harder it is to pass the impact test, because the impact test on a $35 helmet is the exact same test that the $230 helmet has to apply itself to. So that's basically the quick answer on how to tell somebody why one helmet is a lot more expensive than the other. So, but they all will protect you the same way. This helmet on my right hand is the Bell variant. This is a new free ride helmet from Bell this year, and you see the shape of this is a lot more round. The person utilizing this helmet will want to, when they crash or they get it wrong, jumping and those types of things, they don't want this helmet to have sharp edges and to hook up in the dirt. They want to be able to tumble and roll and crash the best they can. Whereas this Giro Ionis, this is our new, or basically our top of the line road helmet, you'll see that it's a lot more aero and has a lot more points to it. You know, this is a $230 retail helmet. This happens to be the Slipstream helmet that the Slipstream team used this year. So you can see there's a big difference on the pricing. And again, the main thing is if you look at the venting and the construction of this helmet in my left hand, it's definitely a lot more involved with a carbon fiber roll cage versus something that has a little less ventilation, but a lot less money. Basically a little less than half the price. So if you have any questions, obviously you can contact me. I'm your local rep at 858-735-0187 is my mobile number. And then if you need any other technical questions, you can always call the toll-free number at Bell Sports at 1-800-776-5677.